Hi, so this is going to be a quick demo on how to install TriCast for Mac. So you're just going to navigate to this link that will be in the description below, and then you're going to go into Macintosh, and then you're going to download this DMG file. So I just going to right click and then download. It'll say can't scan for viruses, and then we're going to say download anyways. And then I will just have that open when it's finished. Okay. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is just drag over this into your applications, and then you'll go ahead and go into applications and see that your FlowTricast has been transferred successfully, but we cannot open it yet. There's one more step that we have to do, so we're going to go back into this download file and we're going to download this zip file. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, download, and then I'm going to click on it to open when complete. My little face is in the way. There it goes. Alright, so we have this in here. I've downloaded before. I'm just going to go ahead and right click and then say copy. And so usually what we need to do is we're going to go to Macintosh HD, but if this doesn't show up for you, what you can do is actually go into Finder up here on the top left, Preferences, and then you're just going to go into this little sidebar tab, and then you're going to go down and just make sure that this hard disks is checked, and that will make sure that Macintosh HD shows up. And then you're going to click on that, and then click on Library, and then Application Support, and then you're just going to paste that in here. So I'm going to paste that, just click somewhere else, paste item, and then you'll have to probably enter your password, and then it will go ahead and copy that in there. So now we're good to go. We can go ahead and open the app. If you try and just regularly click on it, it will give you this error message that pops up. Flow cannot be opened because the developer can't be verified. So this is something that happens on Mac if you download any type of program from the internet instead of the App Store. So what we can do instead is right click and then click open. And you'll see that you now have the option to click open here. And that'll be the only time this happens. Anytime you try and open this, after that it won't happen. It's just the first time it wants to make sure that you're aware that it's not malware and it's safe and everything like that. So it'll pop up down here. Something I like to do is right click on this and keep in dock, so that way I always can access it. I don't have to go to the applications folder every time. And then, yeah, so it's already here, perfectly ready loaded. Here I am. Jason will explain more to you in the next video on how to configure all of these settings and set everything up for a green screen. Thanks.